Hello my friends and welcome to Flying Circus Models. Here is the list of my completed projects in 2024. The first one was a fantastic gift from Mark, Halberstadt CL2 from Wingnut Wings. Because it's Wingnut Wings kit, I didn't have any problems with assembling it. Only one thing that I didn't like is the lozenge decals. Not on this particular kit, just in general the process of applying big decals. And I noticed that I spent more time with decals rather than with painting. The next one was a giant AEG G4 bomber. As I said during the build, I wanted to see the real aircraft first and build the model after. I saw the real one in the Canadian Aviation Museum, and I have the video with the close walk around, and you can find the video in the description. Then I decided to build one of the new releases from Rodin, their Spart 13. And even though this kit is relatively new, Rodin has the same quality of parts and plastic. However, they made a huge improvement with decals, which is great. The next one was also a fighter biplane, but from World War II era, and that was Fiat CR42 Falco from ICM. The kit is amazing with great details and quality of the parts, and I really enjoyed building this kit. Closer to the end of the year, I purchased the new model from Micromir, their Pensutica Pro triplane. A very small plane that looks like 172 model kit and not 132 at all. It was a very tough build, and to be honest, I can't say that I really enjoyed this. And the final project of the year was the One Ring epoxy resin project that turned out into the full disaster. But at least I have some, not positive, but experience with epoxy resin. And here are the models that I'm planning to build next year. Of course, everything might change, but I have it as a plan for now. The reason for not having only World War I models is that I want to keep them for as many years as possible and not to build all kits that I have in 2-3 years. Happy New Year to everyone, thanks for watching and see you in the next builds.